Hello crochet friends, it's me, Jonah, and today I would like to talk to you about Annie's Caring Crochet Kit Club. Every month, customers will receive quality yarn and a pattern. Each kit supports a different charity. For example, this Afghan right here supports Project Linus. This baby giraffe toy supports First Families Now. And then this stuffed dog toy, Pet Mat, supports Blankets of Love. Then this Chemo Cap supports Knots of Love. So here is the baby blanket. Just going to open it up. Oh wow, so inside we have 3 balls of this beautiful yarn. It's called Angel. It's 100% acrylic, very washable, so great for baby blankets. And it's a light 3 weight with 284 yards, so you're getting a lot. And here is the pattern included. There's even a diagram on the back if you like to follow diagrams. And then there's all the written instructions. Here is the finished baby blanket. It's a nice size and I love the colors. Perfect for babies, and the yarn is so snuggly and soft, it's sure to bring lots of happiness. Okay, once you finish the baby blanket, all you have to do is package it up and then you can ship it off to the charity of your choice and help someone in need. So if you want more information on how to sign up, you can go to caringcrochetclub.com. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and goodbye and crochet away, friends.